My AI trading bot made $12.31 today. Here's exactly what it did, in 90 seconds. Today it bought IWM and sold DBC, 2 orders in total, all picked by the algorithm. For context, the bot's account typically moves about 2.9% a day, so today's 0.3% was a quiet, ordinary session. Zooming out, the account sits at $4,637.13, up $1,137.13, that's plus 32.5% since the experiment started. Every trade is decided by a genetic algorithm-optimized strategy. No gut feelings allowed. Here's the scorecard so far. Across 6 track days the bot has been green 60% of the time. Its best day gained 1.8%, its worst lost 6.4%, and right now the account is 4.4% below its peak of $4,852.76. It's now on a 2-day winning streak. Inside the book, 35% sits in a diversified ETF sleeve, the rest is the stock-picking engine, running at 35% invested. Top holdings are on screen. At just 35% invested, the bot is playing defense, it's holding a meaningful cash cushion rather than forcing trades. Remember, the strategy can't predict the future, it just sizes its bets to survive being wrong. The portfolio runs on 2 engines. About a third sits in a dual momentum ETF sleeve that rotates across stocks, bonds, gold and commodities. The rest is the stock-picking book. They lean on each other, so when one zigs, the other can zag, that's the whole point of diversifying. Same time tomorrow, the bot trades once a day at noon, win or lose, and every result gets posted. Subscribe to follow the experiment, one trading day at a time.